Guys, we're here at Lowe's and I need some dirt for my garden. There are some bags that are ripped and those bags are going to be way discounted because they don't have as much dirt in it. I'm looking to see how much there is so that I can go ahead and get them for my garden. So let's go. Alright guys, we just went and got dirt from Lowe's and we got to put it in our raised beds. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so my garlic, I don't know if you saw in the last video, but they kind of were, what you want to call it, they needed to be covered up on the bottom a little bit. You could see the garlic. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Hey guys, I'm going to show you what I have put in my greenhouse. It's not a lot. I'm just doing a little bit because I got a late start. So anyways, I did some, but guess what? There's already some little baby sprouts. I'm so excited. Wait. Oh. What is it? The tag came off. I don't know what they are. I'll have to go back and check on my video what they are. But look at those sprouts. It needs a little bit of water. Can you grab me the hose? Okay.
Too much?
Yep, too much. Turn it down a little bit. Down, down, down.
I have.
That one's got sprouts too. Show. And the camera. There you go. Alright.
So does this one right there.
Yeah, these two are the same because I think, so these are sunflowers. These.
Wait, you got some sunflowers?
Yep, I planted these sunflowers.
For seeds. For sunflower seeds.
So for the bees. Sunflowers for the bees.
This one's got a little bit coming
Yep,
out, like right
those
there.
might be the peppers. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back and check.
Dun, dun, dun.
Just give them a little bit of water. This one doesn't got anything. I think I planted bell peppers. I'm pretty sure orange is bell pepper. I could totally be wrong.
I watched your video and that was it.
That was it. Okay.
Because you
just
said
favorite
it was
color.
like resembles hotness or something like that.
Oh, maybe it's a jalapeno then. I'm not sure what's
Oh,
in
wait.
here because they just come off. I'm gonna have to get stickers because writing in the marker's not working. Super excited. The greenhouse is working. We haven't had any issues with it falling over because we ratchet strapped it. So far, I am loving the greenhouse. All right, guys, the 4 beds right here are ready to be planted. We have to fill this one over here. Let me show you. These 2, this one has nothing in it. That one has some cow manure, some topsoil, and some hay. And then I also have the one over here that also needs topsoil on it. And then we'll have 7 raised beds. But next on the to-do list is to plant those 4 beds, and I'm super excited. That'll be on the next video, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.